Hi, welcome back to Talk of the Town. USCB Center for the Arts will be presenting Unity Through Song June 8th and 10th at USCB Center for the Arts. And here to share more about the singers and musicians, Terry Herron and Scott Gibbs. Welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Glad to have you. So what's the show about, and how did it get started?
Well, we were trying to think of a way to bring the community together, the African-American community, the white community, just to have more discussion, more experiences together, becoming more familiar with each other, learning about each other. There's always been some kind of separation, just a natural, normal separation over the years. It's a kind of a cultural divide here in the Lowcountry. So we thought, hey, music. Let's use music.
Yes.
Let's do something fun, entertaining, inspiring, and let's sell tickets and get people to come and sit with each other and sing together and hold hands and have one of those 60s,
Exactly.
60s moments, you know?
Exactly.
Those,
exactly. Music is healing, no doubt about that.
Indeed,
Yeah.
indeed.
So give us a little idea of what kind of music.
Well, the type of music we're going to have gospel, jazz, and blues. And we're going to feature 6 soloists, featured artists from our community.
Okay.
Because that was one of the important things that we thought that we should put in, that it should be community, the Beaufort County community, and not trying to go outside of our community, because there's so much talent right there. And
We do have
untapped.
a lot of untapped local
exactly.
talent.
And so we never give, sometimes our locals a chance.
So who are the performers and where do they all come from?
All right, so help me, Terry, so I won't miss any names, but I do know, and these are familiar names, of Elma and Elaine. And we have Bessie Bates, Curtis Dansby, and I think, and Terry Herron.
Moi.
And myself.
Wonderful.
And so we all will be some of the featured artists, and then of course this great big gospel choir that's going to be diverse.
Very
and
nice.
so we've opened it up to everyone to come to be, because that's what this Unity concert is about, bringing everybody together. Yeah.
Sounds remarkable.
Yeah.
So how did you manage to put together such a large community choir?
Well, we put the word out, and I already work with a choir, so I had a core group of people anyway. And so we put the word out, anybody that wanted to sing and wanted to be a part of something like this, of a coming together.
Right.
And the people just came. So we have about 35 to almost 40 members of this choir.
And USCB Center for the Arts.
Yes.
Right.
They helped put it all together, and we ended up with people from almost 20 churches.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Exactly.
That is amazing.
Exactly.
That's a,
Yeah.
That's a big number.
So
that's a
we're
lot
excited.
to manage, you two.
Exactly. Yes.
So is there any kind of message or purpose for the show? You mentioned kind of rainbow coalition.
It really is. It's one of those moments. And it's about just getting people to come together and, as I say, share music that has messages, but it's also fun and entertaining and lively. And you're going to have to learn how to clap and sway and sing and do all that at one time. And
At the same time?
yeah, all at the same time,
Yes.
So, and by the way, I get to sing a couple of Neil Diamond songs.
Ooh,
and
fun
that's
for
just
you.
to tell you, not about me, but about the kind of music.
Yeah.
You're going to hear some things
Yeah.
that you just won't
Right.
believe.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're going to hear, you're not going to
From
hear.
some really incredible talent, because I know who's sitting
Absolutely.
here.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Absolutely.
wonderful. So any expectations about ticket sales or the overall response to this event?
We need people to come and see this.
Yes,
Right.
This is a once in a lifetime thing.
Yeah.
Please come. It's on a
Friday.
Friday at 7 o'clock, and then
Sunday.
Sunday the 10th at 4 o'clock.
Okay. So that really gives people a really nice time frame. Either
Exactly.
7 p.m. for date night on Friday.
Yes.
Right? Or 4
Yes.
o'clock on a Sunday, which
Yep.
who does anything on
Right.
Sunday at 4 o'clock?
Hey.
Church is over. It's time to sing.
Yes.
And USCB Center for the Arts.com. go online to get your tickets.
And we're encouraging that strongly.
Wonderful.
Online. Thank you.
Thank you both for joining us today.
Thank you.
And we'll be right back with Talk of the Town.